everybody, welcome to another video of Angelo and Gino's Adventures. And today, a little bit something different with the holidays coming up. We watched Polar Express last night, so got in the mood to head down to the train museum. So me,
subscribe and hit the notification bell and like.
And the Bean Man, and the back of Gianna's head went down to the museum, and we will see you on the inside.
Everybody follow. Oh wait, oh no, that's not TikTok.
We'll see you in a bit. Here we are at the Steamtown National Museum. And a very pleasant surprise, they actually do not charge to get in.
She's escaping.
They actually used to charge, but that's pretty awesome. Here we go.
No, they probably do. But
no, Gino, it says do not climb.
Isn't there a bit more?
Used to be able to go in there, but apparently you cannot go in anymore.
Probably because of COVID. I don't want anybody to get sick.
The caboose. Erie Lackawanna. Hold on, Gina. This right here,
That is huge.
if you're my age, you'll remember this vividly, is the train ride from Naog Park. Used to be a lot longer, a couple more cars. A lot of fun times at Naog Park. Did a drone video though, a couple months back. Check that out. Rode that many a summer. Some pictures of the Nicholson Bridge. Legend has it, when they were building the bridge, a man fell into concrete and was buried there. And other stories say it was a horse, not sure. Looks like they were even wearing masks back then. Gino, this would have been you selling newspapers. Some artifacts and things that were found.
Dad, remember the coal thing? It's closed. Dad,
Well,
the coal thing is closed. What happened that there's so many of this stuff? What?
oh, it's things they found.
You found the gun?
It's a toy gun.
Like the toy?
When they were building this, probably did an excavation to see if they could find any artifacts or things like that. And this is the inside of
This is probably a
the
different.
mail car.
This is the different train because there's no seats in it. So if we went to the other train, that would have another.
Now, if you were traveling cross country,
Please.
this is what one of the cars would be. They had rooms and stuff.
And this is like a sink.
And for a big guy like myself, not a lot of room. Kitchen area.
So here's the kitchen. I mean the table.
There's a
So when you
room for two seats.
This car, this is a
Dining
table
area.
where you and a train where you would probably have to eat, and then you probably have to walk over here. There's that, the bathroom. Here's the bedroom. It's really weird for me. I never get on these trains.
Sleeping area.
And then here's another sleeping area for, the kids. And here's another one.
Toilet.
Look at that. There's another bed. There's another room. Here's another room, but it's really, really tight. And then here's the living room. I think in the back when they used these, there would be a TV right here.
Well, back then they probably didn't have TVs, buddy. The
This-
roundhouse, where they would fix a lot of the trains. Anything had to be worked on. See it in a minute. Lackawanna. Canadian Pacific Railway. Canadian National Railways. Lackawanna. Lehigh Valley rail car. Well, we want to thank everybody for watching. Like a little bit different this time. Like some of the buildings were shut down, I'm assuming because of COVID. But
the cool thing that you would get is closed COVID.
Used to be able to go actually in the one train, the one engine, but they stopped it. You know, probably people farting around, messed it up for everybody. But I want to thank everybody for watching, and definitely recommend coming down to Steamtown if you ever have the chance, if you haven't been here already. Well, me and the kids come down here probably once a year. But it's a lot of fun, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Bye. Like, subscribe, and press the notification bell.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.